Namaste, welcome to Simply Organized. In these busy lives, we don't have the time to do a whole house organization. But by following these simple habits, you can still have an organized home without spending hours. So, let's see what they are. I prefer doing laundry every day during the week so that I can free up my time on the weekends. Also, smaller loads are easier to deal with than doing all in one single day. Along with this, you need to fold and put them in wardrobe as soon as you are done with them. Don't leave them sitting out until you feel like putting them away. We all have those random items laying here and there. So create a place for every single item in your home. When you are not using the item, it needs to be in that spot. So that everyone would know where to look for things and it will keep your house from getting cluttered. Nothing compliments a clean house as much as air fresheners. But sometimes we never notice until the place is smelling all stale and stinky. Try to eliminate those bad odors first. Open the doors and windows every day and let some fresh air come in. Try to use diffusers with a few drops of essential oils. Because the diffuser creates a fine mist that disperses the scent of the essential oils throughout your house. As a matter of fact, decluttering can be done on a daily basis if you can tackle it this way. Keep a basket or bag ready for the items you no longer needed. Anytime you come across the items you don't need, either throw it away or put it in the basket. By the end of the month, take the bag out and donate what you can and throw away the rest. As you get used to it, this giving away stuff process will become easier and it makes your wardrobe look less cluttered. If you want to avoid instant clutter and keep your home always organized, then the best way is to create a drop zone in every room of your house for all your temporary items. Use any kind of simple basket like this and put anything that doesn't belong here. This way you won't get anything laying in the middle of the room and you can place them back whenever you get the time. If you are like most people, you probably use your kitchen counter as a catch-all for various odds and ends. While it might look like the most convenient place to store blenders, mixers and other appliances, but if you are not using them every day, then it should not be taking up space on your countertop. And if you don't have cabinet space, then try to find some other place in your kitchen where you can put these items to free up your counter space. It doesn't matter whether your kitchen is large or small. Minimizing clutter will always enhance its beauty and functionality. I know, you must have heard of this so many times before. But there is nothing that looks messier in a kitchen than a sink full of dishes. When you let dishes pile up throughout the day, not only does it cause you spend more time washing them later, but it will also make your kitchen look so unorganized. I know that it is not so fun to clean up, But take just 10 minutes and you will be done in no time at all. How many times have you said, I'll pick that up later or I will clean that up later? But putting things away right after use, cleaning spillages immediately, and dumping waste directly into the dustbin, all these tasks only take a couple of minutes but definitely will save a ton of cleaning up in the end. Certain parts of our home seems to get the most traffic. In our home, the living room and the kitchen are the most high traffic areas. If you don't take proper care of these areas, they can start looking worn down before we know it. But by sweeping and mopping those high traffic areas on daily basis can really help to prevent the spread of dirt and dust throughout the rest of the house. Last but not the least, spending couple of minutes every night before going to bed, make sure things are put back to their proper places and wipe down the kitchen countertop. It allows you to start your day with a clean house instead of having to clean and tidy first thing in the morning. I hope you found this video helpful and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. Thank you for watching.